Africa is urbanizing faster than any other continent on Earth. Millions of people are moving into its capitals, transforming them into sprawling 21st-century megacities. This growth creates immense friction. Local governments are struggling to manage crushing traffic congestion, overloaded civic services, and a rise in urban crime. African governments in a difficult position. They need security and modernization, but they are priced out of the traditional market. For 2 decades, China has been filling that void. They've invested billions across the continent, building thousands of miles of roads, railways, and power grids. Now that investment is shifting from concrete to code. Chinese telecom giants like Huawei are pitching a new export to African leaders, the Safe City package. These systems promise smarter policing through high-end tech at a fraction of the price. Crucially, they are deployed without demands for political reform. Nations like Kenya, Uganda, and Zambia accepted the bargain, resulting in thousands of high-definition cameras quietly blanketing their streets. Safe city networks move past the passive recording of traditional CCTV. These systems are designed to observe and categorize the world in real time. These networks are powered by artificial intelligence, capable of continuous facial recognition, automated vehicle tracking, and algorithmic behavioral analysis. The system can connect isolated data points to map an individual's complete daily routine, pinpointing exact times and locations across the entire city without human input. While sold as a tool to catch violent criminals, the application of this tech often shifts once the system is live. Those same automated tracking tools are being turned against local journalists, civil rights activists, and political opposition leaders. The software is indifferent to its target. The same algorithm built to trace a stolen car works for tracking a political dissident organizing a protest. These newly installed African systems share a striking resemblance to the surveillance architecture China uses to monitor its own citizens at home. Analysts view this as digital authoritarianism, a model where massive technological infrastructure is deployed to maintain state control rather than empower the public. The real trap lies in the architecture. Once these networks are embedded into a nation's communication lines and police dispatch systems, removing them becomes functionally impossible. By purchasing affordable hardware to fix immediate urban problems, many African governments have imported the blueprint for a surveillance state. The cameras and cables are only the delivery mechanism. The true value of these networks is the asset they generate every second. Every scanned face and tracked movement is funneled into massive databases. In the AI age, these databases serve as highly valuable geopolitical assets. Cybersecurity experts are raising a critical question. What is the final destination of this data, and who exerts ultimate control? While Chinese tech companies deny allegations of espionage, the structural vulnerability of routing sensitive civic data through foreign-built networks remains. African nations are making a long-term trade, potentially sacrificing their digital sovereignty for short-term technological convenience. This competition over digital infrastructure matters. Whoever lays down the continent's technological foundation today will shape global influence for decades. Any tool powerful enough to protect an entire population is also powerful enough to control them. This is a new form of modern conquest. It doesn't require invading armies or physical warfare. Mass surveillance normalizes the quiet disappearance of freedom. Algorithmic control has moved beyond theory.